PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
This is a trick shot. Did you add the trick shot? Am I too relaxed? Just follow your stomach. What do you think? Do I have any deliberate actions on my hands? Did I make any deliberate actions? No, but you have that feeling. That feeling of yours. Do I have any other actions? But if both of us are actors, I am definitely a top actor. And you, getting awards, are definitely extras. You're just getting boxed lunches because your acting traces are too heavy. I am very natural. You went to get boxed lunches in the first episode. Yes, very simple. Relax with your stomach. Relax and follow your stomach to get in. A very simple rule. You're taking it from here, right? Did you also come here? Oh, I relaxed and pulled in my stomach. Did you also come here? What are you doing? Isn't this like taking off your pants to fart? Is this simple? Insist on the correct technique. Actually, it's just sticking to the correct technique. Are you following through with your stomach? Did I not push hard enough? No, you didn't. Relax and stick to this correct technique. Just here and engage. Engage here. I don't want to do anything with my hand. Just relax and follow because you stepped back. Did you use force to pull in? You used force with your body. The momentum opened your hand. Do you understand? It's very simple. Just stick to the correct technique. Stick to this correct technique. With the stomach. This with right hand with shoulder. Right hand and stomach on this side. Pull in with the stomach and follow through with your hand. Retreat your hand and follow through. Retract the shoulder. Follow with your hand. Pull in the stomach and follow through with your hand. Remember the correct form. During the process of shifting weight and loading power, is it because their hands are moving back to store power? Naturally relax and follow. Then won't it naturally open up? Right. Wait until you turn back. When the weight shifts back, use the upper body to exert force to loop the ball. Does the hand naturally follow the weight and get brought back again? When brought back, put more effort into hitting the ball. Right. Focus your effort on hitting the ball. Don't focus your effort on preparing the shot. Understand? The hand still needs to apply force. Just don't apply it on preparing the shot, alright? Yes, good. That's right. There shouldn't be any extra movements. Does it feel awkward to you? Ah. Does it feel awkward to you? Do you still have that feeling? Others might think you're performing instead of playing. Before coming out, you need to show off a bit. Ah, I have to ask you. What are you doing? Yes. Ah, yes, the simpler, the better, right? Yes, right. Yes. Natural, very good, right? The shoulder follows the rotation because of the withdrawal. No need to drop the shoulder. No need to drop the arm. Just enough power. Okay. I think first you need to feel comfortable. From preparation to withdrawal to powering through the ball. Do you feel comfortable throughout the process? At least you won't go wrong. You should feel comfortable everywhere. Oh, it's stuck here. Oh, that part seems can't generate power. Oh, it feels stuck there. Oh, it doesn't feel smooth here. There must be a problem. Right, even you feel awkward. Can you feel a smooth power transfer in the whole process? I always feel like I'm well prepared. I always feel like I'm being pushed. Are you the one who messed it up like this? Are you saying you look relaxed? Or are you overexerting during the backhand? Definitely overexerting, right? Haven't I been saying it all along? You need to use relaxation force in your stroke. Don't use force in the backhand. Then you say I'm relaxed with my belly. Did I exert too much in the backhand? I definitely didn't exert. I didn't do anything. Do you think I can exert? Do you think you exerted? Obviously you exerted, right? Waving a big sword. Let me demonstrate it concisely for you. If you haven't realized it yet, that means you have a problem. Then you'll have to see a neurologist. Yes. Okay. Right.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.